What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to lock the glove box on a 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Like I said, it's a 23 Escalade in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So this is commonly used for if you are valeting your vehicle and you want to put some valuables in the glove box and then lock it, or even if you just want to leave something in your vehicle with an extra layer of protection, it's nice to be able to put it in the glove box and then lock it. So you can see the key cylinder on the glove box here. In order to use that key cylinder, what we're going to do is grab our key fob, and we need to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here on the side that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm just going to use this key to lock the key cylinder that we see on the glove box. We'll turn it to the left or counterclockwise to lock it. That's the locked position. And then to unlock it, we'll turn it to the right or clockwise. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.